What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can order your Trading 212 physical card. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, you will be on your homepage right here. So to order your physical card, go over to the cards section right here. Now on the cards section you can see your current cards, my virtual cards, and your card transaction history. So from here just go ahead and tap on this plus icon right here. And here we want to order our physical card, so we will select the physical option. Now then another window will load asking you to which address you would like to order your physical card. So I will just leave my default address that I inputted when I was creating the account, and I will click continue. Then they give you a choice between your full name being displayed on a card and just the first letter. So let's for this example just select the second option and just go ahead and click continue. And then on the next page they will show you the cost of the card, so altogether it totals at about 5 euros. So if you're willing to pay 5 euros for your Trading 212 physical card, you would just need to click confirm order right here. Then they will ask you to verify this by your password or biometrics. I will just scan my fingerprint. And then you will need to set your 4-digit card PIN for this card. Now once you select your PIN and confirm it, you can just click set PIN right here. And there we go, your card is on the way. So they say that the card usually arrives in 10 business days, so you can expect your card in a 2-week timeline. So that's guys how you can order your Trading 212 physical card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.